Welcome back to another video. This is the first video of 2026. Today we're going to go out for a ride on the bike, talk about a few little things, give you a nice little walk around of this bike because I know you guys haven't seen it in a while. We'll get into why that is as well. But yeah, we got a nice chilly day out here in dirty Jersey, high of 45 degrees, 42. So we got our heated gloves today. And I got my heated vest on right now. This is from Gerben. I've had this up for years and years and years, and it's still working. It's still awesome. All battery operated. Battery goes in there. You got to do is charge your battery and turn them on. So I'll show you guys real quick. Green, orange for medium. We'll put both of them on medium. I don't know if the camera catches the light. Wow. And just as I was saying that, this one stops working. I had an issue with this glove. I guess it might be the battery, or it could be the glove. It could just be like a shortage in the wire, but yeah, this one's not working. At least they're pretty sealed, so mostly cold wind doesn't come in. So one is working, the other one is not. The heated vest, I have it on right now. It is working, so awesome for that. I think we need to check my my tire pressure because it might be low. Let me see the rear tire. The front one needs to be 32 and the rear 40. This is one thing you should always be checking, especially in the wintertime, because a lot of that air leaks out. It's your tire pressure, very important. So look, this one, my PSI is at 19 right now. Crazy. Should be at 32. Let me bring that down. 32. Let it pump up. I love this air pump, man. Comes in handy a lot. We'll see where it is at right now. 29. It's been like almost 2 months that I haven't been on this bike. I mean, I went out on it the other day, but it was like literally around the block and whatever. But on a ride, it's been almost a little over maybe 2 months. And part of that has to do with the weather that we've had here in the East Coast lately. Freezing cold. And on top of that, we've had a bunch of salt down on the floor. And if there's salt down on the floor, I'm not going to be riding my bike because you're asking for corrosion and nah, man. Definitely does feel good to be back on too, so woof. So first ride of 2026, kind of wanted to come out today and talk about the state of the channel, where we're at right now, what's happening right now, plans for 2026, plans about the new bike, amongst a few other things. Where do we start? Today is the 14th, so hopefully I have this video up today, right away. And later on this evening, we're gonna be waiting for Harley Davidson's part 2 launch of the 2026 models. So we're gonna be seeing the CVO colors today, any other new colors that are gonna be available. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for a new bike. Hopefully that's something we're gonna be seeing. Yeah, I'm excited for that. Another fellow cold rider. It's cold out here, man. It really is. I came out here just because I really wanted to ride and I wanted to make some content for you guys. I know the content hasn't been over the past 2 months. I went on hibernation mode. If you guys have been following the channel for a few years, you should know that November, December is kind of like hibernation mode for me. I don't put out too much content. Number one, the weather. Number two, I'm really tied up and stressed the fuck out at work. So I don't like to spread myself thin too much. So the holiday season, it's strictly just for work, so I can focus on my work and then focus on my family as well. January rolls around and then that's when I start doing more content, and that's kind of the opener for the rest of the year. So that's where we're at right now. It's January 14th and there's a lot to talk about right now. Next week, I'm gonna be flying out to LA. Hold on. Tunnel sounds are awesome. Yeah, so next week I'm gonna be flying out to LA. I'm not gonna talk about for what right now, but it's something really cool. It is motorcycle related. Some awesome content coming your way. So tune in for that. Flying out there the 21st. I'm gonna be out there for 3 days. So those videos should be coming along. Maybe the first one should be up by the following weekend. That I get back Friday. So maybe by Sunday I'll have something up next Sunday. So tune in for that. The new bike. I know you guys are wondering, where's the new bike? When's it coming? What is it? I can't tell you what it is, but when is it coming? I thought I would have it by today, ready for the launch of the Harley launch. But no, I don't have it yet. It hasn't got shipped yet. Do I know what bike I'm getting yet? Yes. Obviously I do if I just told you that the bike hasn't got shipped. So we picked out a bike already. The brand new bike for 2026 is coming. It just hasn't got shipped to the dealership yet. So it could be this week. It could be next week. We'll see, depending on when all the bikes are rolling out. But yeah, going back to the content talk, that's the reason why I haven't really been posting too much. It's just, I wanted like a little kind of break. I think in the past month I posted 3 videos, which is not a lot at all. I usually post twice or 3 times a week, and even with that, this year I kind of tamed it down. I don't want to be putting out too much content. I think less is more. That's where kind of like my mind is going now and has been going lately, is that less is more. And that's for everything in my life right now. Less is more for everything. So that's the mindset. But now that we're gonna be going back to our normal recording schedule, we're probably gonna be looking at maybe 2 videos a week. That's gonna probably be the standard for the year to come. I already started putting some ideas together for the new bike, the build, and kind of the direction that we're gonna be taking. So I got a full list of things that I want to do, different parts that we're going to be putting on. So a lot of parts reviews are going to be coming, a lot of install videos are coming. Once again, I know you guys love that type of stuff, and a lot of more discussion videos. Now, I also have this bike currently right now, and I have the BMW S1000RR in the garage. So there's going to be more content coming with both bikes, maybe one bike. I don't know. We're gonna have 3 bikes in the garage soon. That's a lot of bikes. One might go. I don't know. Who knows? One day I'm thinking one thing, the next day I'm trying to like plan a few things out right now, and we'll see what happens. Now, as far as the channel stands, I feel like 2025 was an amazing year for the channel. We did a lot of cool stuff, a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of cool rides. Collaborated with Harley Davidson in a few projects, which was awesome. It shared a lot of memories with you guys. So thank you for watching, tuning in, supporting. 2026, we're looking at that plus more. I'm already planning a trip in August. It's gonna be a California trip, and there's gonna be a lot of riding. Let me just tell you, because you guys are right, I've said it before. One of my dream rides has always been to go to California and then ride down the coast. So I'm gonna be doing that. No, it's not gonna be a cross-country trip because I don't have the time from work to ride across the country to then ride all the way down California to ride back home. So the plan is to fly out to Cali, get a bike from Eagle Mart, and then just ride the coast, man, and enjoy California. That's what I want to do, and hopefully that's gonna be in August. So that's like for sure happening. Milwaukee's this year as well. Homecoming 2026. So hopefully I see a lot of you guys out there this year again. Last year was awesome. I think this year is going to be even bigger. So tune in pretty soon for all the news and the headliners. That all starts coming out and rolling out within the next few weeks, maybe February or so. So wait for that news to come out. I want to take another ride that I wanted to do this past year that I didn't do, was to ride up to Canada. That's in the books as well. Riding up to Nova Scotia, that ride is in the books as well. So a lot of cool rides like that we got planned at the moment. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are around to tune in to watch those videos and be a part of the experience with me. I feel like it wasn't really a break that I'd taken these past few months, but having things slow down for me and not worrying too much about creating content or being involved with too much shit has cleared my mind up a lot. So I feel a lot better now. My mind's a lot more clear. And I've been thinking about some really cool ideas. So yeah, man, it's gonna be that type of year. That's kind of just wanted to come out here and share my ideas with you guys today. Talk with you guys, because we haven't done this in a while. Moto vlogging. I mean, I love doing this. Simple little videos. As much as the cool high-end videos are, I think that moto vlogging, the simple moto vlogging videos like this will never die, because this is what started everything, man. The organic talks on the bike while we ride. That's what I like. All right, I actually got to head up to meet up with my guy Matt from Torque Motorcycle Co. real quick. We're gonna be going over some things. That's another thing. We got some pretty cool partnerships coming up this year as well. Showing you guys and bring you guys some new products. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. We're doing a lot of cool stuff for 2026. So hopefully you come along for the ride. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button. That's going to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And yeah, man, this was a welfare check for you guys. Wanted to see how everyone is, man. Let me know how you are. Where in the world are you watching from right now? How are you? How was your 2025? And how is your 2026 going? Have you set some goals up for yourself this year? I know I have. I have set a lot of goals for work, for family, for the channel, financial stuff, like a lot of good stuff, man. A lot of planning for a lot of good stuff. So yeah, I hope that your goals and your wishes all come true. And I can't wait to see a lot of you guys anywhere and everywhere for 2026 on twos. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.